Hello there, fellow Jedi enthusiast. Today's the day I've been waiting for. Watching the latest space saga movie with my awesome husband. I mean, come on. Who wouldn't want to immerse themselves in a galaxy far, far away? We've got our popcorn ready, and I've even brought my trusty lightsaber and this adorable toy droid to set the mood. I'm beyond pumped. Huh? Could he be already watching the movie? Wait, is that Darth already? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, the Force is not with me today.
Sure, Darth might be the ultimate movie villain, but sleeping next to him? Not exactly the dream scenario. Introducing the solution to your nighttime symphony, our cutting-edge cranial facial release treatments. Cranial facial release is a technique that facilitates the opening of breathing passages, which can allow for better sleeping and healthier breathing. Embrace the comfort, embrace the quiet. Get ready to bid farewell to the dark side of sleep.